Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error, please check your network connection in Windows. Then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So the first solution is to run the network troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select troubleshoot and select other troubleshooters. Okay, now click on run corresponding to the network troubleshooter. The next solution is to reset the network, and I'll tell you why this is a very important solution, because resetting the network includes flushing the DNS, clearing the IP addresses, clearing the WinSock. So it is a combination of many solutions. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced network settings. Select network reset and click on reset now, and then finally click on yes to initiate the process. And lastly, you can consider updating the network drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for network and in network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek one and select update drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.